Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Kia Sorento GT-Line, stock reference number 5652. This shape runs from the 8th month 2017 through to the 1st month 2020. It has a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, camera type. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, right tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror, camera type, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen sat nav player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.